Hello and welcome to Makgeolli Mustard Part 2. Today we are going to be grinding our mustard seeds into mustard. As you can see, the mustard seeds soaked up pretty much all of the liquid. Smells really, really good. There's that real good, pungent mustard smell to it. The sediment from the makgeolli just kind of settled on the top of the mustard seeds and wasn't really absorbed by them. So we're going to see what happens. We may get a white mustard. So let's go ahead and we're going to put it in the blender. If you have an immersion blender, or sometimes called a stick blender, you can do it right in the jar. But I don't have one of those, so we're going to have to go with an old school food processor. So we'll go ahead and put our mustard seed in. More like a gelatinous paste. Kind of reminds me of oatmeal. Got a little bit of sinus thing going on. It's that time of year in East Texas, pollen's in the air. So everyone's sinuses are in flux. So we got this here. Let's see. See if we can get more of this to a more standard spoon. You can really smell the garlic and the onion and the mustard. It's come together, at least from a standpoint of smell. It smells really, really good. So got it in the food processor. With the food processor here a little bit closer to the camera. And go. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what's wrong with the food processor. Why is it not processing food? Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, hold on. We're going to have to do some minor checking out. Well, it is starting to come along. It's going to take some baking. And just out of safety concerns, this is probably not the smartest thing to be doing, but it's evidently it is too thick to be just put in and blended, so we got to mix it. And we'll be back later once we get it all figured out. Okay, we have finished grinding our mustard seed into a mustard paste, I guess you'd call it. Evidently, I had found when I was doing my grinding is that I didn't, in the part 1 video where I mentioned that I have a little bit more than a half a cup, or more than just a little bit more than a cup, I didn't compensate with enough liquid. So what I got was a really thick, heavy paste when I ground it. This heavy paste is easy to work around. All you have to do is dilute it with a little bit of water or vinegar or whatever strikes your fancy, whatever liquid you find that will work to help dilute it down to more of a consistency of mustard that you used to, like you buy at the supermarket or whatever. I'm going to taste it real quick, taste a little bit of it real quick. Really good. It's real creamy. You get a lot of creamy texture from the Makgeolli. You get a real good mustard flavor. The garlic flavor's in there too. Garlic, onion in there. It came out pretty good. I am going to have to get, next time I do this recipe, I am going to have to get an immersion blender just simply because they're going to work better. And it does. I have to put this up or I'll eat the whole thing just standing here eating it. It works better than your old school food processor. It's much quicker. So until next time, peace, love, and better brewing.